Hi, my name's Darryl, and today I'm going to test two Jeeps with two different tops. So the first one is my personal Jeep. It's got a convertible top, but I've totally taken it off, so it's totally naked, and it also has half doors. The other Jeep is a 4xe with the Skytop One Touch. And on this one, I removed the back panel window, and the Skytop One Touch is going to be open. Now, the reason for this test is just to kind of compare the two different tops when two Jeeps are running naked. The nice thing about the Skytop One Touch is it's very convenient. So whenever you want to have that full Jeep freedom, all you have to do is hit one button, and then that top comes rolling away, and you got the fresh air. Whereas with my Jeep, it takes a little bit more time to get totally naked. So I really want to thank my friends at Chapman's Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram here on Boulder Highway in Las Vegas. This particular 2025 4xe that's fully loaded, it's got like 16,000 miles on it, and it's around $30,000. So it's a great deal. So make sure you talk to John Dooley, who's the used car sales manager. He'll hook you right up, and ask for the Darryl special. So let's go ahead and go into my Jeep, and we're going to get on the freeway. We're going to go 70 miles an hour. We're going to do a DB test just to see how loud it is, how my hair gets all messed up, and then we're going to try the same thing on the 4xe with the Skytop One Touch. So let's get started. All right, so a couple requirements for driving in a naked Jeep. The first one would be sunglasses. And the second one would be some sort of hat. Notice I've got my nice Jeep hat here. You can wear it backwards if you want, just to keep the hair in place, especially if you have longer hair. So one of the things about driving a naked Jeep is, you know, around town, I would say, you know, right around 30-35 miles an hour. It's awesome. But the problem is when you start getting on the freeway, that's where it can get just a little bit uncomfortable, especially if there's some wind. So, you know, if you are in any sort of a wind, let's say, you know, 15-20 miles an hour, let's say you're heading into the wind or kind of side wind, you're gonna definitely feel it. Luckily today, we have really no wind, so it's a perfect day. It's about 95 degrees, a little hot for a naked Jeep, but we're in Las Vegas, so it's a dry heat. So yeah, just driving around town, taking it easy, relaxing, enjoying the radio, just having a great time is awesome. But soon, we're gonna get on the freeway, and when we do, I'm gonna use my dB meter just to see, you know, how loud it is inside of here. And yeah, I'll take off my hat so you can see the hair kind of flying around a little bit. Should be a lot of fun. All right, so we did close the windows. Actually, it's not too bad. Our dB meter is showing right around 81, and we're going 70 miles an hour. So it looks like it's around 82 or 83. We're heading into the wind just a little bit, but yeah, this is not all that terrible. So I'm looking forward to testing the Skytop One Touch just to see how it compares. All right, so sunglasses, hat, and sunscreen. So one of my suspicions on why the Skytop One Touch might be quieter than a standard convertible with the top off is the fact that on a standard Jeep, you have this opening right here in the door and the window, where a lot of times that air can go in. Whereas in the Skytop One Touch, you don't have that. So I think that might make a little bit of a difference. Maybe not today, but we'll find out. I will say, however, that with the Skytop One Touch, it certainly doesn't look as cool as with the Wrangler that's totally naked. All right, so we are going 70 miles an hour. I think it's like an 85. I think before we had like an 80. I think there is a little bit more wind now than there was, but I've got to be honest, I actually feel like my Wrangler just totally naked for some reason. Seemed actually a little quieter than the Skytop One Touch. So I'm not exactly sure why that is. Perhaps it's because when my Wrangler was totally naked, you know, there's just nothing for the wind to bounce off of, right? Because all the windows were open in the back, everything was open in the back. Whereas with the Skytop One Touch and these and what's in the back here, there's just a lot of things that can reverberate with the wind. So really interesting. I had a false impression that I thought the Skytop One Touch, it was actually going to be a little quieter to drive naked than my regular Wrangler, but I don't think that's actually the case. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to the dealership and we'll wrap this up. But the one thing nice about the Skytop One Touch is if you're on the freeway, things are a little out of hand, it's a little windy, you could just hit one button and close that top up, have a little peace. So that's kind of nice. All right, so just to wrap things up, you know, I didn't feel like there was that appreciable difference between Skytop One Touch and my Jeep. Now, I think it was a little windier on the second run with the 4xe, but I mean, the dB meter doesn't lie all that much, and it actually showed that it was louder. So I guess it all comes down to, really, do you want, you know, the convenience of being able to open up that top when you really want to get out in the sun, or like me, I pretty much run my Jeep like this all the time. So if you're somebody that just runs your Jeep naked all the time, this is probably what you want to go for. If you do like the sun, you don't care that much about how it looks, but you want to be able to, you know, have the convenience of getting the sun, which Jeep is famous for, when you want it. You know, then the Skytop One Touch is the way to go. This is Daryl. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one again very soon.